first group, so the first round, I will be asking questions to each group. You can't pass the questions here. I'll be giving you 1 minute to answer, and if you get it right, it's 2 points. There's no negative points in this round. It's safe completely. You can guess and just try. If you don't know, you can just guess the answer. It's fine. For here, I'll ask 4 questions to each group. So there will be a total of 16 questions. And going on to this, then after that, we'll go on to the second round. The second round has 14 questions in total. For the first 7, one member from the team can participate. For here, I'll be asking a question, and from the 4 members who are participating from different teams, whoever answers first raises their hand. That is, you have the raise hand option down over here. So you have to raise your hand, and whoever raises their hand first will get the opportunity to answer. If they get it right, it's plus 2 points again. But if they get it wrong, it's a -1. This -1 mark is just as a catch-up actually. So if you're falling behind, maybe the teams ahead of you will make a mistake, and they fall behind, and you can catch up. Or because of the -1 marks, they might not answer, giving you more opportunities to get back.
Hello, good evening, teacher.
So it's not necessarily
inviting
that
you for high school quiz also.
In this
teacher.
section, we'll be giving you 20 minutes, only 20 seconds to answer.
How about Yoni,
if
madam?
nobody answers within that time,
I've sent
we'll be
her the
skipping that
link.
question
I
and
don't
going
know
to the
whether
next.
she has seen or not.
So that's it for the
Will you
first and
just
second round.
Just
Then
for an
in case we
encouragement to
get
the
a tie,
children.
we
Then
have
after some
few
time they can
tiebreaker
leave. You
questions
can
ready.
leave now.
That time I'll explain how
Okay.
we're going to conduct that time. So that's it for the quiz. Any doubts? Okay then.
Ma'am, can I give the formal introduction?
Yeah, we'll start. It's 5:30, right? Yes, we'll start, children. All those who are there, please come in camera. Lamis the other day had an excuse, like even today network problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. The others, even the audience, please be in the camera, children. It is just for an encouragement to the participants, and hope you'll enjoy the quiz. Don't ever have any like temptation to get say the answer, okay? Your audience today. Yeah, we shall start.
Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friends. Welcome to the finals of the annual Science Day quiz for 9th and 12th. This quiz is to commemorate World Science Day for Peace and Development, which is held each year to highlight the important role that science has in society and is celebrated each year on November 10th. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants for getting to the finals. And now Amal will explain the rules of the competition to you.
So the quiz will be taken in 2 rounds. The first round, I'll be asking question to a single group. They have 1 minute to answer. If they get it right, it's plus 2 points. They cannot be passing this. They cannot pass the question on to the next group if they cannot get it. If 1 minute if they do not answer within 1 minute, we'll be going on to the next group and the next question. I'll be asking 4 such questions to each group. So total of 16 groups, 16 questions in all. Once you're done with this, we'll be going into round 2. Round 2, there's a total of 14 questions. Out of this, the first 7, one participant from each team will be participating in. I'll be asking the question, and within 20 seconds, whoever answers first will get to answer the question. Whoever raises their hand first will get to answer the question. If they get it right, it's plus 2 points. But if they get it wrong, it's a -1 mark. Then after all of this, if we then after the 7, for the next 7 questions, the teams can either choose to bring in the second participant, or they can continue with the same participant. And at the end of this, if we have a tie between 2 teams, we'll be taking the tiebreaker questions of us. The rules for the tiebreaker question will be explained in case there is a tiebreaker. So, any doubts? If not, we can proceed into the quiz. Okay, then shall we?
Excuse me, Amal, you can even instruct them that they can like discuss with their members either using the chat box or by unmuting. You have said that, I think.
For the round 1 questions, in the 1 minute that we're giving you, you're allowed to discuss the options and the answer with your partner, either through mic or through the chat box in the meet.
Can we start now? Swapna teacher.
Yeah, children.
Now 34.
Yes, children. If you don't have
Okay,
any
okay.
doubt, like, can we start?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I'm going to
Yes,
start the
yes.
screen sharing.
Okay, okay. So we're starting. Huh?
Okay, so round 1. This question goes to Nishok group.
Parvati, please check your present screen. I mean, the questions are not visible yet. Yeah, it's okay now.
What are the viruses that prey on bacteria called? Option A, bacterial viruses. Option B, moneural viruses. Option C, bacteriophage. And option D, monerophage. This question is for Nishok, that is Manisha and Abhirami.
Option C,
Correct answer, plus 2 points. Participation. Okay, now on to the next group's question, that is Shanti group, Arunima and Gauri. Which among the following is used by doctors to clean the skin before an injection? Option A, ethanol. Option B, methanol. Option C, acetone. Option D, propanol. 45 seconds. $30.
is it for Nishog house?
Shanti. Shanti house. Make it fast, children. Arunima and Gauri, you can give any answers. No negative.
Ethanol.
That's option A, ethanol. Correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Shanti group. Now on to the next question for Veer group. Who is known as the father of neuroscience? A, Santiago Ramon Cajal. Option B, Alessandro Volta. Option C, Salim Ali. Option D, none of the above.
Option B.
Option?
Option A.
Sorry, yeah, choose the option again. Confirm one and say.
Option A.
Okay, we are going for option A. Correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Veer group.
Excuse me, Amal. Like, if you want, no, you can discuss among yourself. Use your chat box, okay, before you say the confirmed answer. Or you can even unmute and speak to your friend. Okay, then.
No hurry, 1 minute is given. You can discuss plenty over there. Okay, on to the next question for Bhavika group. Who invented the battery? Option A, Alessandro Volt. Option B, Ben Franklin. Option C, Andre Marie Ampere. Option D, Charles Augustine Coulomb.
Option A.
Quick answer from that. Option A. is the correct answer. Plus 2 points for Bhavika. So we're done with the first round of questions. Now going for the second questions for each group. Excuse us for a second. Please wait a while. Okay, so for the second question for Nisho group. Which material is used in making PV cells? Option A, silicon. Option B, platinum. Option C, aluminium. Option D, plastic. The question is for Nisho group.
Abhirami. Can you hear me, Abhirami?
Abhirami, if you know, give the answer.
Yes.
Feel free to take a guess, by the way. No negative points in this round.
Silicon. Option A, silicon.
Option A, silicon. Shall I go? Shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Correct answer. Plus 2 points for Nisho group. Shall we go to the second group for Shanti then? Second question, that is. Which of the following glands is both endocrine and exocrine? Option A, pancreas. Option B, pituitary. Option C, adrenal. And option D, pineal.
Arunima, if you know the answer, give it. Otherwise, she will give. Gauri Shungri will give a guess.
This question actually come from the deleted portion of your class 10th. If it was done, you would have said it, I think.
Yeah, Gauri, please try that.
Pituitary.
No.
Sadly, that is the wrong answer. It's option A, pancreas. No problem, no negative marks. We can go ahead, shall we? Next question is for Veer group. What does URL stand for? Option A, Unique Records List. Option B, Uniform Resource Locator. Option C, Undefined Restricted Learner. Option D, Universal Resource Location. Question for Veer group.
Padma. It's option B, Uniform Resource Locator.
Correct answer. That's plus 2.
Very good.
That's plus 2 points for Veer group. Shall we go into the next question for Bhavika? What material is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors? Option A, graphite. Option B, helium. Option C, uranium. And option D, none of the above. The question is for Bhavika.
Is it option C, uranium?
Option C, uranium, is the wrong answer. It's option A, graphite. So that is the second round of questions. Now on to the third question for Nisho group. Which is the largest fossil ever found? Option A, Tyrannosaurus rex. Option B, Megalosaurus. Option C, Argentinosaurus. And option D, Nigersaurus. The question is for Nisho group.
Option C.
That is the correct answer. Plus 2 points for Shanti group. Shall we go to the next question for Veer group? Sorry, plus 2 points for Nisho group, right? Okay, my bad. Plus 2 points for Nisho group. We're going for the next question in Shanti group. Which mammal's milk has the highest fat percentage? Option A, donkey. Option B, blue whale. Option C, cow. Option D, hooded seals. The question is for Shanti group. Come on. It's 20 seconds remaining.
You can give a guess, children, if you're not very familiar.
No negative mark, so you can guess.
Cow.
Cow.
That's 1 minute past. The answer was option D, hooded seals.
Uh,
Okay, so the next question is for Veer group. Which material is used in the manufacture of microchips? Option A, silicon. Option B, iron. Option C, copper. Option D, tungsten.
Option A, silicon.
That's the correct answer. Plus 2 points for Veer group. Quick answer. Next question is for Bhavika group. Drug used to reduce or prevent fevers. Option A, opioid analgesics. Option B, antipyretic. Option C, codeine. And option D, doxycycline. Question is for Bhavika group.
Option B.
Option B, antipyretic, is the correct answer. Plus 2 points for Bhavika. Now we are on to the last 4 questions for round 1. Next question is for Nisho group. Name the chemical used to make toothpaste white. Option A, titanium dioxide. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, helium.
Option
Option. Sorry, repeat that please.
Option A.
Option A, titanium dioxide is the correct answer.
Okay.
That's +2 points for Nisho group. Now on to the next question for Shanti group. Which polymer is used to manufacture computer disks? Option A, bakelite. Option B, polythene. Option C, nylon. And option D, terracotta. The question is for Shanti group.
You can guess and give. Arunima and Gauri, please guess if you don't know the answer.
Ten seconds.
A. Bakelite.
Option A, bakelite is the correct answer. That's +2 points for Shanti group. Now to the next question for Veer group. What is the solvent of gold? Option A, aqua regia. Option B, polysulfide. If you know the answer, you can go ahead, please.
Option A. Aqua regia.
Option A, aqua regia is the correct answer. +2 points for Veer group. Next question for Bhavika group. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Option A, John Dalton. Option B, Robert Boyle. Option C, Antoine Lavoisier. And option D, Democritus.
Option C.
Option C, Antoine Lavoisier is the correct answer. That's +2 points for Bhavika group. So that concludes round 1. Let me maybe get the results.
Shanti has scored 4 points. Nishok has scored 8 points. Veer has scored 8 points. Bhavika has scored 6 points.
So we've got Nishok and Veer tied with 8 points. Bhavika with 6 points and Shanti with 4 points. Going into round 2, 14 questions are there. I'd like for each teams to select one member who is going to answer the questions now. Please come forward, raise your hands, discuss among each other and decide, please.
Once you're ready, please raise your hand so that the quiz master could know who is there taking part from your team. Okay, Fadwa from which house? Mention your
Veer house.
Veer house.
Veer house.
Okay.
Sri Lakshmi from Bhavika.
So we have Fadwa from Veer, Sri Lakshmi from Bhavika, Shanti and Nishok.
Shanti house. Yes. Shanti house. Arunima. Yes. Let her do. Arunima.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
I will go.
So Arunima from Shanti group. Now from Nishok group.
Nishok.
Abhiram.
Abhirami from Nishok group. So shall we begin? Round 2. Parvati, please.
Amal, why don't you say the instruction once more for the round 2 before we start?
Okay, round 2. I'll be asking 7 questions for the first 4 participants. For here, you're supposed we'll only be giving you 20 seconds to raise your hand. In this time, whoever raises the hands first among the 4 participants for playing, whoever raises the hands first gets to answer the question. Discussion is not possible with only 20 seconds, that I know. So if you know the answer, raise your hands. And I'll be asking you the answer. If you get it right, it's plus 2 points. But if you get it wrong, it's -1. Shall we go ahead? Okay, Parvati.
Yes, Amal and Parvati's.
Round 2. The condition of low blood sugar is called hypotension, option B hypoglycemia, option C hyperglycemia, and option D hypertension. Okay, so
Option
Padwa,
B, hypoglycemia.
that is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points for
Weirhouse.
sorry,
Weirhouse.
yeah. So feel free to answer when I'm telling the question as well, by the way, because you only have 20 seconds. So just you can raise your hands. I'll ask you immediately there. So for the second question, which organisms are known as the oldest fossils? Option A, Limulus. Option B, Archaeopteryx. Option C, blue-green algae. And option D, Dickinsonia. That's 20 seconds over. So this question is skipped. I believe Nisho group is the group with 4 marks from round 1. Feel free to answer, okay, because it's faster.
Yes, children.
The risk is larger for the other groups here.
This is the chance for you to score. So those who are scoring low,
Okay, sir.
please try.
Okay, shall we move on to the third question now?
Yes, Amal.
By the way, the answer over there was blue-green algae, option C. Now question 3. Which vitamin is known as biotin or vitamin H? Option A, vitamin B7. Option B, vitamin K. Option C, vitamin A. And option D, none of the above.
Option A,
No, actually, the one who raised hand first was Sri Lakshmi, right? Was it Fadwa or Sri Lakshmi? Sri Lakshmi rose the hand first, but you didn't say the answer.
I'm not sure.
Teachers.
She didn't say Fadwa. Fadwa gave the answer, no?
Fadwa gave the answer, but Sri Lakshmi rose her hand. So in that way, will Sri Lakshmi's team lose mark for not saying the answer?
No, she won't lose marks, but
Okay, so mark could be given to who said the answer.
no, like Sri Lakshmi raised her hands first, then she can go ahead and give the answer right now.
Yes, she's
I won't be
given a
counting
chance to
Fadwa.
give the answer. Other teachers noted, I noted Sri Lakshmi to raise.
Yeah.
hand. Yeah, so Sri Lakshmi,
Yeah, Sri
you're
Lakshmi
given the
first.
chance to
Okay,
answer.
Sri Lakshmi, you can answer.
Has she logged out?
Option A.
No, Sri Lakshmi is not,
Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
not clear.
It's not clear, I'm sorry.
Uh,
It's still not clear.
put the answer in the chat box.
the chat box.
Option A.
Option A, vitamin B7, is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Bhavika group. Now, shall we go on to the fourth question then? Which class does the anglerfish fall into? Option A, hagfish. Option B, chondrichthyes. Option C, ray finfish. And option D, lobe finfish. So that's a skip. Your answer is option C, ray finfish. Now shall we move on to the fifth question? Question number 5. How long does rigor mortis stay for after death? Option A, 36 hours. Option B, 24 hours. Option C, 12 hours. And option D, 2 hours.
Option B.
Option B, 24 hours is the
Just
correct
a
answer.
minute,
That's
just
plus
a
2
minute.
points for Veer group. Now shall we go to the next question? Question number 6. Adrenal medulla releases option A, epinephrine, option B, dopamine, option C, serotonin, and option D, oxytocin. Padwa has once again rose her hand. Go ahead.
Option A.
Option A, epinephrine is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Veer group. Now shall we go to the 7th question? Veer group in the lead currently. Padwa, please observe the picture. The question is to identify the organ. Okay, down to the options, please. Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, spleen. And option D, appendix. Can we scroll up to the question for a second? The picture. Just once again. Okay, thank you. Okay, options. Arunima has raised a hand. Go ahead.
Option C.
Option C, spleen is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Shanti group. Now, shall we go on to the 8th question?
Just a minute, Amal.
Ma'am, it's
After
been 7
7
questions.
questions, are we not going to change?
Oh, yeah, sorry, my bad. I forgot
Yes,
again.
okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. It's the 7th question.
is anybody
No.
willing to switch?
Yeah. You can change your partner's children after the 7 questions. Now, remaining 7, if you will, your next partner can answer. Okay, so put in the chat box or raise your hand who among you will be there. Now, if you want to continue, the other partner should also agree with that. Okay, Gauri is
From
there.
Shanti group, Gauri wants to go to the next 7. Nahreen from Pavika group. Please on your cameras, by the way. Manisha from Nisho group. And Gauri from Shanti group.
Yeah, we need one.
And Fatima from Veer group, sorry.
Yes, Veer.
So if all the participants would please on their camera set.
Shall I start displaying?
Shall we? Okay, go ahead. Now on to question 8. Which of the following can be defined as a hydrometer consisting of minute particles of liquid water or ice or of both? Option A, comets. Option B, glaciers. Option C, clouds. And option D, ice giant planets. So this question is a skip. The answer is option C, clouds. Now shall we go into the next question, ninth? Lepidopter- lepidopter- Lepidopterology deals with the study of option A, bugs and bees, option B, moths and butterflies, option C, grasshopper and crickets, and option D, dragonflies and damselflies.
Option B.
That is Gauri. Gauri
Yes.
answered option B, moths and butterflies. That is the correct answer.
Shanti House.
Plus 2 points for Shanti House. But please raise your hands before you answer so I know who's speaking. Shall we go to the next question? Question number 10. 1 light year is equal to option A 9.5 trillion kilometers, option B 6.5 trillion kilometers, option C 8 trillion kilometers, and option D 5.3 trillion kilometers. Fatima has raised her hand.
Option C, 8 trillion kilometer.
Option C 8 trillion kilometers is the wrong answer. It's option A 9.5 trillion kilometers. That will be -1 marks for Veer group. Now on to the 11th question. Which chemical is the reason behind the brown color of human faces? Option A, bilirubin. Option B, sodium nitrate. Option C, Fatima K has once again raised her hand.
Bilirubin, option A.
The answer is option C, melanin. That's again -1 marks for Veer group. It's not a problem. So now on to the next question, that is 12.
1 minute, ma'am. This is slight difficulty.
Okay. All participants and all are requested
ma'am.
to get your camera on.
Now, so on to the next question, that is question number 12. Which hormone stabilizes our mood and gives feelings of well-being and happiness? Option A, dopamine. Option B, serotonin. Option C, adrenaline. And option D, none of the above. Manisha has raised her hands.
Option B.
Option B, serotonin,
That's the wrong answer.
or Nishoku. Okay, now on to the 13th question. 2 more questions remaining.
Excuse me, Amal. Like, was the answer right? Like in between, I think it was not heard.
Oh, I'm sorry. It is correct. Serotonin is correct. Is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points
Okay.
for Nisho group. Manisha, please lower your hand. On to the next question, question number 13. What is the gravity of Mars as compared to the Earth? Option A, 37.5% of Earth. Option B, 73.4%. Option C, 59%. Option D, 67.5%. Fatima has raised her hands.
Option A, 37.5%.
Option A, 37.5% is the correct answer. That is plus 2 points for Veer. Now shall we go to the 14th question, the last question for the second round. What is the heaviest substance on Earth? Option A, iron. Option B, uranium. Option C, osmium. And option D, titanium. Manisha has raised her hand.
Option C, osmium.
Option C, osmium is the correct answer. Plus 2 points for Nisho group. So that concludes round 2. Amish, the marks please.
Shanti has scored 8 points. Nishok has scored 12 points. Veer has scored 14 points. Bhavika has scored 8 points.
That is Shanti with 8 points, Nishok with 12 points, Veer with 14 points, and Bhavika with 8 points. So we have Veer in the first place, Nishok in the second place, and Shanti and Bhavika tied for third place. Should we be taking the tiebreakers?
Yeah, we'll have the tiebreaker. How many questions, Amal? So let we have
We
the
have
third position
just-
also confirmed.
We have just 3.
Okay, so whomever answers first will be scoring.
Yes, we'll be taking the second round itself probably, but it's what is the best of 3. So basically,
Okay. So only the team who is tied up will be answering. Okay.
yeah, only the teams were tied.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just need some time to get the file.
Okay, doesn't matter. And this also they have to raise the hand, right? Of the two,
Yes, teacher.
who knows the answer will raise, and then only you'll speak the answer. Okay. I request all those are the audience also to come in the camera, children. We are under recording.
Yes, ma'am. Go.
The tied groups are Shanti and Bhavika. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the electrons inside an atom are option A, centralized, option B, not stationary, option C, stationary, option D, none of these. By the way, the timer is not there. We'll be waiting until someone answers.
Yeah, any member from Shanti or Bhavika has to give the answer.
Okay, Gauri, go ahead.
Option C.
Option C, stationary, is the wrong answer. Now on to the next questions.
Amal, say the score. If they don't answer, will they lose?
Yeah, it'll be a cross on their sides.
I mean, is it -1 like the earlier tiebreaker? I mean, earlier question.
I suppose we could do that, yeah. -1 for,
Wrong answer.
yeah, Gauri Shanti group. Shall we go on to the next question? Which type of radiation has the longest wavelength? A, infrared, B, ultraviolet, C, X-ray, and D, radio wave. Nahreen has raised the hand.
Is it a B? B.
The ultraviolet is the wrong answer. The answer is option D, radio wave. So that's -1 for Bhavika. Now shall we go to the next question?
Excuse me, Amal, like, can you just read what?
Yeah, I read that. I'm just.
Okay.
If that's the case, then I'll have to get more questions for the tiebreaker, sir. So here
Against
the last
time.
question is.
Yeah, so in that case, you needn't give the negative mark because again the
But-
tie continues.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, true.
So next question, there is no negative mark.
Yeah, sure. Next question, we need the negative mark. Then I'll just read the question. Okay. I won't be giving the options. I'll just be reading the questions. Try to get the answer. We'll keep going until one team gets the correct answer. How's that sound? So the third question is, what is the unit of magnetic induction? Magnetic induction, SI unit. Gauri has raised hand.
Tesla.
Tesla is the correct answer.
Okay, very good.
So that is
So the tie breaks now.
Shanti group. Yeah, Shanti group. Tie breaks. That's Shanti group in the third position.
Okay, children,
I'm sorry, the
congratulations.
tie break was a bit messy. So congratulations to Veer group for the first position
With 14 marks.
with 14 points. Nisho group for second position with 12 points. Shanti group for the third position, and Bhavika group for the fourth position.
Yes, congratulations, all the winners and also the participants.
Congratulations.
Okay, you all did a wonderful job, children, taking part. Like, it's again a new experience having even quiz conducted online. Okay, how did you feel? If you want to share your feedback, you can just use 2 minutes for that. Any participant? Even from our 12th, because we didn't have a feedback from you, how did you feel? Did the quiz go on well? How were the questions? And again, special congratulations to our quiz masters and also the moderator and timer Lamis. Okay, they all put a lot of effort to have our science day quiz, both the preliminary and the final round go on so well. So we teachers are all overwhelmed with the way we had this online quiz. We were a bit skeptical on how will it be going on, but it all went on well. So any participant who can just share your experience being a participant in the online quiz. Maybe this would be the first experience. So we want everyone to take part in all the CBSE quizzes that comes online. Yes? No one? By the way, like I said, everybody to be in the camera, but we have very few on the screen. The recording will appear very blank then. Yes, anyone? Yes, Georgie teacher.
Yes,
can you
Swadva, can you please give few
Yeah.
words on the questions?
Yes, Fadwa.
Fatwa.
Ma'am, it was actually a very good experience doing an online quiz for the first time. So the questions were challenging, and even there was a timer set. All was good, and I liked the way they conducted the quiz.
Okay, so thank you. A special word of appreciations to again the quiz masters.
Quiz masters,
so
yes.
keep going. We also will have it
Yes.
done for all the other school activities.
Activities
Yes.
as quiz masters, this Amal and Parvati in future also.
Yeah, even Lamis. Lamis is a major
Lamis
part
also,
and the
Lamis
contributor
also, Lamis
of the
also.
questions.
Behind the curtain.
The
Behind the
challenging,
curtain.
challenging questions
Yes.
were from her, right?
Oh, very nice. Anyway, they prepared well.
And one of our quiz master is long from Dubai. Yeah? Where are you from?
Yes.
Dubai or Abu
Bahrain,
Dhabi?
teacher.
Oh, Bahrain. So
Bahrain.
Amal is right from Bahrain taking quiz for us.
When will
Okay,
you
when are
come
you
back?
coming back? Yes.
Yes, when will you come back?
Depends, teacher.
No,
Like,
school is getting open
Oh,
by
school
November
school is
opening.
1st.
opening.
November?
Yeah, we'll be coming before then. Just
So we shall see you in the school very soon then. Welcome home. Welcome to our school. You really will enjoy our school. Is it, Parvati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We'll make sure of it.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So shall we conclude,
Oh,
children?
yes. Yes,
Joji
time-
teacher, you
Yes.
want to speak?
Wait, no. I think
Okay,
very
okay.
special congratulations to
I think we
thanks
had
to
our
this
HM
quiz
with us. Yes, Lamis.
Before we wind up, I would like to congratulate all the winners and all the participants who made this quiz a success.
Yes.
I would like to show my heartfelt gratitude towards all the teachers from the science department. And thank you once again for being a part of this quiz. And I hope you enjoy this as much as we did.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Lamis. So shall we all
So
wind
we
up?
can- okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Got it?
I think
You have any-
Sulaja teacher has joined us. Good
Yes,
evening,
yes.
teacher. Welcome. Just join.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher. But I can't see her.
She's in.
Good evening, teacher. Okay, continue. All the best, dear participants.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't started, teacher. We are just starting. Waiting for few more teachers to join
Yeah.
us.
Sharp 5:30. Will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
By 5:30 we'll start.
So
Okay,
then
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, and yeah, formally we may start now.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friends. Welcome to the finals of the annual Science Day quiz for 11th and 12th. This quiz is to commemorate World Science Day for Peace and Development, which is held every year to highlight the important role that science has in society and to celebrate each year on November 10th. Now I'll invite Amal to explain the rules of the quiz.
So this quiz will have 2 rounds. Round 1 will be me asking each teams a question. They'll be given 1 minute between each other, using the chat box or the mic as they wish. In passing, you're not allowed to pass in this round. There will be 4 questions for each team, a total of 16 questions. Once you're done with these questions, we'll be commencing into round 2. In round 2, it's there are a total of 14 questions. For the first 7 questions, 1 member of the team will be participating. I'll be asking a question, and whoever answers first gets the mark, gets the chance. If you were to answer it correctly, you get plus 2 marks. But if you will be deducting 1 mark from your current score. In the case that teams end up with the same score, it's a tie. We have 5 tiebreaker questions, which we will be using.
Yes, Amal, you're done with the instructions.
Yes, teacher. Instructions
Yes,
are
so
over.
we can start. Okay. So Parvati, I think Lamis will be managing with the scores. You have given her the instruction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
She will manage the scores and she'll also check the second round, whoever's raising the hands first.
Okay. And how about timer? Do we have?
Ma'am, all 3 of us have the timer and it will all be displayed on the screen.
Okay then. Okay, then let us start. Joji teacher?
Yes, we can
Yes.
start. Okay.
So we are the 3 teachers presently as an audience to encourage you people. Okay, so take part. All the best. Parvati, will there be screen presentation?
Yes, ma'am. We're screen sharing so that everyone can reread the options.
Okay. So you're getting ready with that?
Yes, ma'am. Amal will be presenting the first question, then I'll be presenting the second question, like that.
Okay, so why don't we start? Shall we start?
Yes, we can
Yes, teacher.
start.
excuse me, all may keep yourself muted, and then when you're answering only you will be unmuting. Okay, thank you.
First question now. So this question goes to Shanti group. Which is the most dangerous element in the periodic table? Options: actinium, uranium, polonium, and plutonium. The time starts.
Amal, are you presenting?
Aditya CB. Shanti House participants Krishna Prabha and Aditya CB.
Team members can discuss among themselves. Either use the chat box or you can use your mic. You can unmute and speak to yourself, or use the chat box. I think only 1 minute, no, Amal?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, before the time you have to say.
Is it polonium?
That is the wrong answer.
Okay.
It's option D, plutonium. So now shall we head to the second question?
Amal,
This
it's
question
house,
is for-
house, name it as house, Shanti house, and now next is Nishok.
Nishok, yeah, Nishok. The question for Nishok. Okay, which is the most radioactive element? Option A, uranium, B, polonium, C, promethium, and D, radium. Question is for Nishok.
Nishok House, Manisha and Sriram.
Yes, Sriram and Manisha. You needn't wait for the timer to run out. You can say if you know the answer. If you have to discuss, use the chat box or your mic.
Uranium? Wrong answer. The answer is B, polonium. The most radioactive element is polonium, whereas the most dangerous one is plutonium. Now the first question for Veer group. Veer group is Nilin Deva and Devika. What is the SI unit for measurement of radioactive element activity? Option A, becquerel, B, Curie, C, Geiger, and D, Gray. You got 45 seconds more. 30.
It's option A, Becquerel.
Correct answer. Plus 2 points for Veer. Next question goes to Bhavika group. Riya from class 12B and Danish from class 11. Who discovered X-ray? Option A, Marie Curie. Option B, Pierre Curie. Option C, Wilhelm Röntgen. Option D, J.J. Thomson. "45 seconds remaining.
J.J. Thomson.
Yes, Amal. Is the answer right?
Yes, ma'am. The correct option is that's right.
Okay, now on to the second question for Shanti.
Excuse me,
Krishna
Amal.
Prabha.
After each question, should we say the score, or you will say it after the whole round?
We'll say it after round 1, I guess.
Okay, okay.
The first computer virus is known as A, rabbit, B, creeper virus, C, elk cloner, and D, SCA virus. This question is for Shanti group.
Creeper virus.
Yes, the answer is right. It's creeper virus.
Plus 2 points for Shanti. Now on to the next question for Nishok group. The moment of inertia of a body does not depend upon A, the mass of the body, B, the mass distribution in the body, C, the angular speed of the body, and D, the axis of rotation of the body?
Angular speed of the body.
Yes, your answer is right. It is C. So +2 for Nishuk House.
Yes, very good. Actually, Parvati, are you keeping them in suspense for few seconds?
No, ma'am, it was not intentional because we had to switch between the screens.
Okay.
But
It
I
is
think it's
because of
better.
that. Even I was
The
doubting
suspense is nice.
because their faces are also. I mean, don't get tense, children. Let it go on. Okay, let it be right or wrong. We are just taking part. Yes, Parvati, you can continue.
Amal, next question.
Now the next question for Veer Group. Which company bought the popular video teleconferencing software Skype? Option A, Google. Option B, Accenture. Option C, Oracle. Option D, Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Correct answer. +2 points. Now on to the next question for Bhavika Group. Which one of the following ray has minimum wavelength? Option A, gamma ray. Option B, alpha ray. Option C, ultraviolet ray. And option D, X-rays.
Option A.
Correct answer. +2 for Group Bhavika. Now to the third round of questions. Next question for Shanti Group. Who is known as the father of modern microbiology?
Louis Pasteur.
Correct answer. +2 for
Shanti House.
Next question for Nisho. Which computer program converts assembly language to machine language?
Assembler.
Correct answer. +2 points for Nisho. Next question goes to the Veer Group.
Proxima Centauri.
Correct answer. Again, +2 points for Veer Group. Observe the picture for a second. Okay, onto the question, onto the options now. Which is name the phenomena? A, dispersion. B, broken. Okay, Ria, go ahead.
Option C.
Wrong answer. Answer is option B, broken spectre. That's -1 marks for Bhavika Group. We've got 5 more questions. Keep going. Let's go. Okay, the first 7 questions are over. Yeah, so they're over already. So we are gonna do. Anyone wants to change who's participating? Okay, Sriram, gonna continue.
I meant to change.
Oh, you want to change? Okay, so
Yeah, let the other
Manisha
partner
is-
also take part. I think that is better from all the
so
group.
Manisha is going for the next 7
Okay,
questions.
so Manisha from
Nishok.
Nishok. Yes, Danish. Are you there from Bhavika? Or is Ria continuing? Danish, yes.
Danish, yes.
So Danish is going for the next one.
Yes, next 2 houses, Shanti and Veer.
Nilina and Krishna Prabha.
Just let us know if you are continuing or not.
Yes, Krishna
So
Prabha.
Krishna Prabha and Nilin.
Nilin.
So on to the next questions.
Krishna Prabha of which house? Shanti, eh?
Yes, teacher Shantira. What is the pitch black bottom layer of the ocean called? Option A, bathypelagic. Option B, abyssopelagic. Option C, hadalpelagic. And option D, mesopelagic.
Manisha.
Manisha has raised her hand.
Option B.
Correct answer, option B, abyssopelagic. So that's plus 2 points for Nisho. So the next question. In the computer world, Trojan refers to option A, virus. Option B, Nilin has raised hands. Go ahead.
It's virus.
Wrong answer. It's option B, malware. So that's minus 1 points for
Warehouse.
Weir group. Shall we head on? Which one is the naturally occurring heaviest element? Option A, francium. Option B, thorium. Option C, uranium. Option D, protactinium. Manisha has raised the hands first.
Uranium.
Correct answer, option C, uranium is the answer. It's plus 2 for Nishuk. Nilin raised the hands almost at the correct time, but Manisha was slightly faster. Let's go to the next question. What is the temperature of the inner core of the Earth? A, approximately 4500 Kelvin. B, approximately 5700 Kelvin. C, approximately 6200 Kelvin. And D, approximately 7800 Kelvin. Nilan has raised his hand.
Approximately 1500K. 5700K, sorry.
Yes, correct answer. That's plus 2 points for Weir group. On to the next. The final one. Who is the first person to define speed? A, Galileo. B, Newton. C, Kepler. And D, Ptolemy. Niran has raised his hands once more.
So option A.
Correct
Galileo.
answer. Galileo is the correct answer. That's plus 2 points for the Weir group. So that concludes round 2. Shall we hear the results now? Lemis, please.
Shanti has scored 7 points. Nishok has scored 11 points. Veer has scored 13 points. Bhavika has scored 5 points.
So we've got Veer group in the lead, I believe, 13. And Nishok comes second, Shanti third, and Bhavika fourth. So we completed a total of 30 questions, and Veer takes the first place. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations, children. Well done. Quiz went on beyond our expectation, to be frank.
Yes, it was well presented, isn't it? Good, good, very good.
Okay. Do we have Sulaja teacher? She has gone.
I think she has gone. She has gone.
Yeah,
She has gone.
Officially, I think Lamis is there to have the vote of thanks for all the participants and those who all have joined us. Yes, children, for all the participants, we would be glad to send you a participation certificate for the Science Day quiz, for actively taking part in the quiz. And for the winners, again, there would be the winner certificate. Plus, when you come on reopening, we'll have a special gift arranged for you as a small token of love from all the science teachers on account of Science Day. Yes.
Sapna teacher to the quiz masters also.
Yeah, even
Yes.
quiz masters
Yes.
and Lamis, who was the moderator.
Yes.
Okay, so very soon we shall see you all in the school.
Yes.
So we'll make it official. We'll make it be given by the principal. Yes, Joji teacher.
Yes. That is good. Because very nicely they presented this.
Yes. So we have the 10 standard. So even 12 standard children are invited to be the audience there. Yes, Joji teacher, they can come now on Monday.
Yes, Monday. At what time?
Monday, Suja teacher, have you decided the time? 3 o'clock enough? No. How about quiz masters? Yes.
Quiz masters, no problem.
Lamis should join us also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, any problem? No problem for them.
Okay, so
Okay.
shall we wind up? A big thanks
Okay.
all together
Big
to
thanks.
everybody in
Yes.
the session. Okay, everything went on very fine. So we are all in recording.
Yes.
Okay, this again as a part of Science Day video, this also will be sent, Joji teacher,
Okay, okay.
along with the science experiments. We also
Ah,
had a
yes,
science
yes.
quiz.
Ah, yes, yes. Quiz also. We can. Along with that. What about this edit?
First of all, as we wind up the program, I would like to thank all of you for attending this. I would also like to thank Sulaja ma'am for attending and our dear science department teachers and the students who made this possible. Thank you.
Yes. Well
So
done.
Monday,
children.
Once
Monday.
again, special congratulations to Nilin and
Yes, the winner.
Devika for first position.
Yes.
And also everyone else performed commendably and even made it out of preliminaries.
Yes.
You were all of you were 16, sorry, the 8 students who made it of the preliminary group.
Yes, a special congratulations for that also, children.
So
You among 53 are the ones selected for this particular final round. Okay.